How to fix ChatGPT text formatting. So if the formatting looks wrong, for example, your markdown might not be rendering properly, or lists are looking broken, or code blocks are looking broken. To fix that, you can follow these steps. So the first step is to regenerate the response. So you can simply ask ChatGPT to regenerate the response like this, and then send the message. You can also include and fix formatting like that. What you can do next as well, if that didn't work, is like copy the prompt that you've used in this chat session, start a new chat session, and make sure to paste it and include in the prompt fix the formatting again and send the message. And the third step you can do is reset the browser zooming and do a hard refresh. So for example, if you have zoom enabled like this, it might break the text formatting sometimes. So to reset that, you can hold down the left control and press 0 on your numpad, and this will reset it back to default. You can also control it by holding down control and moving up and down your mouse middle button. And next thing I want to do is hold down Control, Shift, and R at the same time. And this will perform a hard refresh for the browser page for ChatGPT. And this should solve the problem. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.